Do you know that you can actually get CapCut Pro for free? Like you can actually export your videos on CapCut without the watermark attached to it. I mean, if you're someone who uses CapCut to edit their videos and you're not using the paid version, using the free version, I'm sure you'll be able to relate to that fast where you have to finish editing your videos and when you're about to export, you're seeing that CapCut watermark that is either at the top of your screen or below your screen, and it's very annoying because who wants to edit videos and be having watermarks on them? Now, I'll be showing you a very swift method that you can actually use to export your videos, in fact, to edit and export your videos on CapCut without having that watermark attached to your videos. It's just very simple. All you have to do is just import your videos, edit them, and export them using this method I'll be showing you right now. So stay with me as I walk you through the process.
To get started, let's head over to our CapCut, okay? So whether on your device, your laptop, log into your CapCut account. Yes, make sure you're signed to your CapCut account. And to sign to your CapCut account, make sure you click on this icon that looks like a human figure. I'm already signed in, but this is it. I'm signed to my account already. So if you're not signed in, make sure you sign to your own. Once you sign in, you tap on the right screen, and of course, we head over to import the video we'll be working with, okay? And then we have to click on new project so you can import the video you're working with. Okay, let me use this for example. And of course, I'm using a video I've already edited, so make sure that you're selecting the video that you want to edit to do this experiment. Okay, so once you click the video and you've added the video, you've imported the video, just edit whatever it is you want to edit, remove, add, do everything you want to do. This video is not about editing, okay? So you might want to check out my video on how you can edit videos in case you don't know how to edit videos with your CapCut. So I'm done editing this video, so that's why I'm using this particular video now for this work. So once I'm done, it's time for me to export this video. Like export the video. And on your own end, to make sure that you're done editing everything you're meant to edit on your video. So when it's time to export, you click on this place that says 720 pixels. Of course, I wouldn't be exporting at 720. I would want to export at 1080. Some people export at 2K, 4K. So I'll of course recommend it, and I'll click on this 1080 resolution and the 30 frame rate because of how high the video is. Now, before I now click on export, if you look down here, you're going to see CapCut watermark. In fact, even if you even go back to the video, if you look down here on this down left corner, you're going to see this CapCut watermark. If you're looking for this, is very annoying, okay? And this is what you want to remove from our video. So what we have to do is, we have to log out of our account. But before we log out, we have to go away from this video we're editing. And just by clicking on this icon, we've moved out of the video. Okay, now it's time for us to sign out of our CapCut account. So all we have to do, go back to this same place that you can log in and log out from this human icon here, and click on sign out. Now it's signed us out of our CapCut account. If you doubt, go back to this place, that human icon, and it's asking me to sign back into my CapCut account. So I'll go back. Obviously I've signed out. Then I'll go back to that video I edited before I signed out, which is this one you're seeing right here, and open the video. Now this is the video. If you look, that watermark is still showing. This is where the trick comes in. Go back to this place, 720 pixels, whatever, and move it back to the 1080 that you want to export it at. If you want to export at 2K, 4K, whatever, choose whatever it is you want to choose. But before you click on that export, please come down to the thing that says CapCut watermark. This place, just this place you're seeing, click on it. If you look, you see there's the visible mark, there's the hidden one. This is the trick. Then if you're choosing the visible watermark, of course, upper left, upper right, lower left, lower right, and mine is currently on the lower left. So I want to move that CapCut watermark completely. I don't want it to be there. So I'll choose on display that says hidden. And this hidden means that I have the option to even export 4 videos without that CapCut watermark. Are you understanding? So we click on hidden. You see? Once you click on hidden, we go back to this place, then go back to our video, tap on the screen. Look, that CapCut watermark is no longer there. Let's play the video.
If you're looking to link your bank account to your AdSense, learn how.
Pause the video and then click on export. Now, it's telling me exporting without watermark. You still have 3 free uses to export without the watermark. I mean that after this one I'm making exporting now, I can edit 3 more videos extra and then export them. And this is how you keep doing it. If you come back and see that the option has been exhausted, log back into your account through the same procedure, edit your videos, log out, go back and remove the watermark and export your videos. There are also other methods you can actually use to export your videos without CapCut watermark. This is one of them, and I'll be sharing more updates with you guys. So you have to wait for the video to finish exporting to 100%. Then you go to your gallery, you'll find it there and upload on YouTube. Okay, babies.
That is all you need to do. Very simple. All you need to do is just log into your CapCut account, import the video you want to do, finish the video editing, log out of your CapCut account, go back again to the CapCut and export your video. And whenever you download the video, you will notice that that watermark is not there. Very, very, very simple. And please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and do subscribe to this channel. Okay? I'll see you when I see you. Bye.